Coming to you live from Hollywood, welcome to Top Rated, where we highlight the best products on Amazon. We'll showcase the coolest, trendiest, most awesomest products that we know you'll love and share them with you on our new web series, Top Rated. So tune in.
Hi, my name is Eric Black, and welcome to another great episode of Amazon's Top Rated Products, where we discuss Amazon's most featured products. Today's product that we'll focus on is a product for home improvement, which is called the Hairpin Legs. Hairpin legs are nice, sleek, they're made of steel, and they pretty much replace legs of coffee stands, nightstands, end tables, or whatever tables you may need. Let's say you have a broken table, but you don't want to throw it away. You can easily replace the table with legs from the hairpins. Hairpin legs are the perfect product to give it that nice, modern, new look and feel. It adds a little pizzazz to your home, requires no experience, you could do it on your own. It comes with 20 screws, 5 for each leg, and it's easy to install. Update your old furniture with just replacing the legs.